Y'all got wounded. I know. Let's go. You're all alone. Come down.
There's a stem right here.
I'm coming.
Pick up that stem. Oh,
The next assembly point is after this door, yo. All we gotta do is go through this door behind us. Come on.
Okay. Okay, that's good.
Oh my god. We gotta go to this elevator door.
We're there. Hit it. Don't do it.
I'm stuck in. Auspex.
I got grenades out.
Do work. They're auspex.
This is bad. Are we hitting the door? What's up?
I don't know who came there.
Okay, let's in this. Yeah, I feel it.
Guys,
We're dead.
I got it.
The door's open?
Yeah, the door's open.
Okay. They dead? Oh, now they dead! Ooh.
We out.
Nice.
We out.
Oh my god.
Keep moving. Let's go. Armor boost. No way did that hit me. Armor boost in this corner.
Where?
Right here.
Thank you.
Nice, get him. Another one in the back.
Let's get to. There's gonna be a health pack somewhere.
Ow! Dude, these off-screen snipers.
It's the little dudes.
God
dang.
dang.
Watch out for the little dudes.
They give you an audio pin before you do, so they tell you when to roll.
Oh, thanks, Mr. 50,000 hours on this game. Calm down.
Oh, no,
I'm super dead.
Super dead.
I'm dead.
I shouldn't be on this difficulty.
No, we got this.